You ever wonder how in the world you're gonna mount a tree in a tree stand and every single year it's hard? Well, I'm gonna show you. So next, what we're gonna do is cut off these bottom ones here so that it'll fit in the tree stand. Alright, so once you've used your trimmer to trim the bottom limbs off, and also trim you about ½ an inch or so off the bottom so it's a fresh cut so it can suck up water. Then you're going to take your tree stand, make sure all your bolts are screwed back out just enough to be able to slip over your trunk, and you're going to take your time and just slide it over. And make sure to just sit and flush down here on the bottom. Then you'll slowly turn your bolts. What you're doing here is just trying to get all your bolts to pretty much touch and try and make it where the trunk is in the center of your stand. Much easier said than done. Just slowly do it, because a lot of times your trunk is not necessarily straight, but this will get you in the ballpark. Alright, so now what you're going to do is try and stand it up, and we'll see if it stands up by itself. Wow, this was not rehearsed. What I always like to do is just put my foot on it and kind of just put my foot on the stand, just pull it just a little bit. It is standing by itself. Wow. So that right there, YouTube, is how you stand a Christmas tree in a tree stand. First try. This was not rehearsed, believe it or not. So once we get inside, what we like to do to protect the floors is put down a trash bag and then a towel over the top. Alright, how crooked is it?
Pretty crooked. I'm just getting it straight. DIY how to make your Christmas trees fluffier.
Once you get it in, you get the trash bag down, the towel down, your stand and your tree, you fluff it all out, and we'll look for our skirt. Put it on the bottom and make it look all pretty. you like this video, please be sure and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to see you. All right, ready? Don't forget to hit the bell. If you like what you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell like Mike Tyson. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of Dean Family Acres, then hit that subscribe button and pound that bell.